Hi, I'm Linda Lorkowski, expert baker and owner of Linda's Kitchen. Welcome to my channel. I'm here at the bakery early in the morning before we open to our customers. And I thought I'd give you some little information about how we produce our pastry and why our customers keep coming back for it. The very first thing is the quality of ingredients. I'm really particular. I will cancel a vendor. I will send things back if the quality doesn't come through. I have suppliers all the time who tell me, buy our cookie pucks and bake them off, or buy our fillings and bake them off. Our cake icing, our cookie icing, we make all of that from scratch. I'm really particular. I will cancel a vendor. I will send things back if the quality doesn't come through. For example, walnuts. There's one way I can tell if a walnut is good. I eat it. And if it is rancid tasting, I'll send it back to the supplier. We actually had that happen one time, got in several cases for the holidays, and found out that the nuts were no good. We did not know that because I hadn't taste tested it until after we produced the product. Calling the supplier, they actually knew that before they sent it out to us, and they must have just been waiting to see if there were complaints coming back. But because of that dishonesty, I will never use that nut supplier again. If you like this video, give us a like and remember to subscribe. This is peanut butter in small increments. Again, I bought that in a commercial, about 25-pound pail. We made the peanut butter cookies and discovered they tasted like a chemical. So I'm really particular about that. This is unsweetened chocolate for our chocolate crinkle cookies, but we now get this in 50-pound bags. I like these little ones because it melts down really good. And our crinkle cookie is one of our leading selling cookies. I like to use the miniature chocolate chips in our chocolate chip cookies because I think that it spreads that chocolate out so there's an equilibrium between the taste of the cookie and the chocolate. We use raisins in our oatmeal raisin cookies. I do not get those in commercial. We did at one time, and the box came in so big and so packed we were trying to pry it out of the box. To me, they should be separated, they should be moist. So we get those in smaller increments. We use margarine and butter in a lot of our product. And yes, you can replace margarine with a recipe that requires butter. Now, our shortbread, we definitely use a butter because we want that butter flavor coming through. Some of our other recipes, like our cutout cookies, we will use margarine. It's a matter of adding that fat to the dough to make sure that it's all holding together and baking quite nicely. I look for timers that will take me down to the second, because if I open up my oven and think, it needs a few more seconds, I can add 10, 15 seconds onto it. In pastry, when you're cooking, it makes all the difference between having something undercooked, cooked just right, and overcooked. I believe that when you eat something, it should taste just as good as it looks. And here is one of our new designs, our miniature butterfly cookies. We're getting ready. We've made these for our tea. We thought it'd be a nice addition to our pastry table. So, as well as ingredients, the look of what you do should also speak well. So just keep in mind that your quality of ingredients, the way you present something, and how long you bake your things. That's my tip for the day. Give us a like and remember to subscribe.